Okay, so how to add a lightbox. So first of all, what is a lightbox on Wix? So what it is basically, the functionality of it is just like are just pop-up windows that appear over the main content when triggered. They're used to display like content like images, videos, promotions. We have here a promotion. I can click on preview here. And now the lightbox will actually appear. Now, of course, you can go to triggers here and we can delay the seconds. We really have some X button, close button, automatically display lightbox on pages. Of course, you may ask right now, how can I add one? So you're gonna have to go here to add elements. Then here we have interactive. And then here lightbox for promotion, subscribe, welcome, contact. And I'll exit the lightbox. And here's the content. Now this is just empty, but I'll just add something, a text. So here write, this is not lightbox. You know, just this is the content. Let's say now I click on preview, and the lightbox is going to appear. Now I delayed it in just a couple of seconds, but it should appear in a few seconds. But let me go back, and then here I'll have the light boxes. This is the promotion. Actually, this is not the one. This is where you can find all your light boxes. That's not the one either. I have multiple light boxes. Sorry, this is the one actually. And I'm gonna click on settings here, back. So here we have, if you click, that person is going to click where it's going to do. You can actually select web page. People is going to click on the lightbox, going to direct them to a web page, which is pretty nice. And now I'll click back on lightbox, and here triggered automatically display. Yes. Now delaying, going to delay this to no delay. And which page is going to, which pages is it on? Okay, only on home, right? And here you can change the layout, move it where you want to appear, and some design. Of course, you can design this, add some different color, and you know, different color you can add. Now let's click on preview, and this just appear. I close it. This is where it appeared on the home page, right? And as I said before, you can change the duration. You can click back here and change the delay, not duration, sorry. And here you can manage light boxes. You can also click on here, and then here you're gonna see your light boxes. This is the one, another light box again. I can click on the three dots here, and I can click on, you can duplicate this light box if I want. I can also duplicate it, and also delete it if I want. I can go back to lightbox. I can select the other one I have here, and I can delete this one as well. Now, of course, so I know exactly for what's the purpose of this lightbox. I can click on the three dots here, and I can rename this lightbox. So I can write here promotion for summer shop. So I know exactly what this. Just an example, what is this lightbox for? And yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful. By the way, of course, you can change the background around the color we have there if you want to. So I can go back to pages, and then here you have the background. You can change the background. I just thought of mentioning this because it is important. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you have more questions about lightboxes, let me know in the comment section. And now I'll see you in the next video. Take care.